Kani ketika durasyon Meghalaya bat ni priang sobhai pi baro syakatuk kubam takajan mit. Syaban paj ki kubar ke benya ngin ya pecoi kimat pekongsan. Anpa ke Sarkar Jela yikinong hikai bat kena skul syari bilat haus nambanwan ban let sya pentebit. Temu ke Sarkar Jela ban pelat yaki kena nak jing bam dan kam ban ra iki plakot na ka bentas posni jong usnem aku saw. Kentat Menteri Rangba Konrad Sangma halor kijing kena kai bean ya udau yang persya ya Menteri ubak snow halang dhar bat ka Sarkar. Yo pediang unong yo jing mentoy na ka CM elevate hari boy da ka kalira. Bat ia terilang ke Rangdajiet United FC bat ke Bengaluru FC ban kentil ia ke jingilak kai football ha Meghalaya. Ki khubor ki babnia Menteri Katanat Puli Putih ke Jela urakam Sangma ula pensya ia ke jingtmu ke Sarkar ban yat syakmat bat ki rai bakongsan. Ya ka program bakerpang bala sedang da Menteri Rangba ban pha ikinohikai bat ki kena skul na ki district baper syari bilat na ka benta ban sya hikai bat ban yo ya ka jingnang jingtip ya ka ba an sedang ha usnem banwan. Kani ka program katemu ban penyar ya ki jingtip jongki bat bakindon ya ka jingtibit ka bathamai. Habaya day bat ki jing ba ki nong hikai ki ya kendu usang ma ulap diang ba ki don takto kat ni ki jing
bala will be sending to UK next year as a excursion study to the UK.
Director Jongka Directorate of School Education and Literacy DSEL Swapnil Tembe ulaong bakani ka jing pentraikam katemu ban penbha ya ka Puli Putih ha ka Jela bakentup ya ka jing bamdan kam ki kena ban ra ya ki plakot na ka benta shiposngi jong usnem arpusau. Kani kan kentup lang ya ki jing elek kai sports ba ka jing ai jing mut ha ka yo ban kentiu ya ka Puli Putih ka bakentup lang. Nalor kani utembe ula batai halor ka program CM Impact ka badai commission basipor bala khami lenti banyo ya ka jingmi ha usnam banwan ula batai.
When I was in school, right, so we had these pre-boards, and after pre-boards they were remedial classes. So this is something which we have. So the idea is, one is that the guidebooks have been made specially because the students may face difficulty in gathering information and all. So it's a question bank plus it's a set of concepts, and it's meant for those who really need help in particular topics. Then the other is remedial classes.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ke Sangma ha kasngi balang jong katayau ulah kentat ya ke jingkeno persya ya usembut Menteri Rangba ubak snyob halang dhar bat ka Sarkar ha ka bayadei bat udrak bat ka jingkai bean ya udawyong bat ong bakani kalong ka bamdan nongrim ula ong bakalong ka basngausi ban yo sngo nakinong yalam kaliang persya ki bedon ya ka kerdan bakin penhiar ya ka akor ka buram bakin keno klem nongrim la keno ru ba ka NPP ka pendon kam ya kani ka pisa ban kering ya ki MLA na kiwe ki seng sanhima haba jubab ya kani usang ma ulaong babaro ki MLA ki balet pinyasno bat ka NPP ki lasyem ya karai na kabenta banwan ra ya karoy kapar.
And it's very unfortunate that responsible leaders at that level could make such statements without any basis or any kind of facts is something that is really very unfortunate. And a strong allegation like that individuals are involved in drugs, which is, I said not just completely wrong in terms of our the society, but it is anti-national.
Unong ai ktien ka BJP ubalong ru uhe pulit berim uba M karkrang ula kentu ban pin saja yakinong khai drak khanang banyada yak jing sapriang jong kani ka jing sneu hasilong uba karkrang ulaong baka jinglong jingman na udrak kala nang sneu bat badon kattu katni ki khap ha ka ba kinong khai drak ki sha set phatok tang sipor bat anda kilalat kilet ban beteng biang ya kaju kakam tang kajing pengat haki kendon an kabala banyada ya kajing sapriang kani kakam ha posar.
I see. When it comes to drugs, I think so. It appears to getting worse. doesn't seem to be anything better. And I just hope so. You see, the thing is, it's not only about the government, it's society at large also has a role to play here.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ubadai kami yaka District Council uba Preston Tensong ula kershan yaka rai ban penjalan yaka samai terekam jang ka KHADC bat JHADC ba nriu benai hakaba ula kam ba kim dan jing tiang ban yakun yaka election katkum uba Preston ula ong ba ki hap hapo ka 6 schedule bat ki kendon an ki ong ba ulat ban penjalan yaka samai terekam jang ki DC ha Meghalaya lada kakam kadawa ka ba amdei ban palat yaka khat ar benai.
The whole process of revision, it will take not less than 3.5 months till we reach the final publication, till we complete up to the final publication of the electoral. So therefore, these were the issues where we needed to do. That's why we have to extend it for another 6 months' time.
Daki spa teli kidukan bat ki yeng sa kila sya penpra da ka sarkar Assam ba kila tebe an haki jaka ka PWD hasilenter ka surok na Jorabat Shabarnihat Haribhoi district uwei na kinong shongshnong ka khatlai mer uringku deka ulaong ba ka sarkar Assam kala le ya ka badon kam namar babun naki nong shongshnong kila wan ban shong Shnong be an ha kini ki jaka nalor ka jinglum pisa be an ha ka kerteng jong ka sarkar. Usambut Menteri Rangba ubadai kami ya katanat PWD roads uba Preston Tensong ula betha ya ki he katanat banjurip halor ka jingtei ya ka jingking beli na kawai pat ka surak khnang ba ki kali he kinla banwan shashilong ka sarkar kalakhang ya ka jingya ki kali he hadam ka ba dang shudap maramat dang shan ha ka jinglut ka ba lakot kumba arpo kalot tingka katba ka jing pendap ya kawai pat ka jingking kan shimpor da kisnem uba Preston ula betha ya chief engineer ka PWD banlet jurep ladala banbu ya ka jingking bashipor na ka bentaki kali he ki bakit ya ki mar ki bakia hapo san nehru benai
Handed over to NSSL, but now from the state government also, I've instructed chief engineer road to work out the possibility if we can. Maybe if we construct within 5 months, 6 months, if we can get the temporary alternate bridge, we will go ahead with that.
Menteri Rangba Konrad ke sangma ulakular banyada na kajing penjulor ya uplang HJN Stadium kaban pediang ya kajing penlong ya ka concert jong Brian Adams ha ka shpauterek unopra. Ulaong bala pendon kam ya ki stadium bahe ha ka perthai na ka benta ban penlong ya ki concert bat ki don ki but technology ki bala banyada na kajing julor uplang. Ka sarkar kalarai ban pendon kam da ki technology ka perthai ban siang da ka rinsan habro kawai kamadan. Ulaong bakarai ban pendon kam da kani ka rinsan kathmu ban kentiu ya kajing pendon kam bat jing yo pisa na ka benta kajing te ya kani kamadan.
Obviously, the entire responsibility will be given to the organizers to ensure that that particular platform is seen, and we will obviously double check the technology, and only after our satisfaction is there by the department that we will allow it. But we have seen this technology being implemented throughout the world, and therefore rest assured there will be no damage to the natural turf. Whatever little spots that will be affected because the platform will be put in place, those will be recovered within 7 days, and that's the normal procedure that's followed throughout the world.
Kawai ka long yeng ka badon yu ukpa ka kami bat ka kun kenthai bakhat saw snem kila laj im klemmen saw na ka jingtwa khendo ka balaja ha ka shnong shang bangla Haribhoi district ha ka ba ka yeng sa bat ki dukan kila julor lot ha ka janmit jong ka sngi balang bakan thop ya ki mar ki mata bat ki so ki pai urang ba shnong ka shang bangla uba bishos laurniang ulaong bakumba arpoteli ki long yeng ki don hapdeng ka jingma jong ka jingtwa khendo bat ula kentu ya ka sarkar ban shim ya kila jinga da ban like na kinu ki jing mensau
kaba pasan nang kaling junga kum lang wasyang kalang ba nak kalian jangka sarkar ada department gede pek habis kini subha ba dalam kepala penyerap lem yik nang senong senang bakin mengat ha kajing keslai lain dari jenja di perkat jongki
UMLA kanong po uba Meryl Bonds menta kasngi ula IT ya kakali rep sya uba bonisor so kwai jong kanala para ubadei unong yo jingmentoy baning kongtam na ka CM Elevate hari boy lapen long ya kani ka program ha ka office jong ka district agriculture nongpo riboy district ha ka jingdon lang u pranjal datta ubadei u district horticulture officer ha ka jing ai jing kren uba so khwai ulapen pau ya ka jing songu bakani ka kali kanla ban ai jing shakri ba jing mentoy u kumshi benta ban aina mi ukpa ubala klat no ki khun lembat ka kurim jong uba Lionel Marwan na pendeng rei nongstoin kilate ya kamadan futsal kaba ningkong ha pendeng rei nongstoin ha West Khasi Hills district kaba kila ai kerteng kum ka Lionel futsal arena lapli ya kani kamadan da urang ba snong ka pendeng rei uba Michael Marwan ha ka jinga kren uba Marwan ula ong ba kani kamadan kan penmento ya ki samla bar ka snong ka thau hibro kawai banla banyarap yaki banlait na kijing snio. Karang dajit United FC bat ka Bengaluru FC kalaya trailang ban kentiu ya kasap kapong kisamla bat ka rukam ai jing hikai. Kani ka jinga trailang kathmu ban kentiu ya ka jinga lekai football ha Meghalaya. Kani ka jinga trailang ka phai khmat syaartli kimat ban lam lenti ya ki nong lekai syaki limpung bakham he bat ban kentiu ya ki jing ai jing hikai ya ki coach lingba ki workshop bat ki program ai jing hikai. Kinong yelek kai badang kena karang dajit United FC kin yo yakalat ban yelek kai bat ka Bengaluru FC ka ban yarap yaki ban kiyo ha karukam yelek kai. Mentang ini pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hanong ba shalong ka jing shit kalong ar punyo pan san degree celsius ba ka jing kriat kalong khat nyo degree celsius ka jing sngam ka haw kalong 100% na ka spa men step bat 100% na ka spa janmit kala abandon ka jing hap slap ka bamlu mala bat ka jing tir uperthat haki kat tu kat ni teli ki jaka Shaban poi syakabakut jang ka thup khubor ngin ya pet biang sa sisien yakimat bakong san Anpa ka sarkar jela yang kinong hikai bat kena skul syari bilat ha usnam banwan ban lek sya pentin Temu ka sarkar jela ban pelat yaki kena na ka jing bom dan kam ban ra yaki plakot na ka bentas post ni jong usnam ako saw Kentaj Menteri Rangba Konrad Sangma halor ki jingkeno khai bean ya udau yang persya ya Menteri uba snyo bhalang dhar bat ka sarkar Yo tiang unong yo jingmentoy na ka CM Elevate hari boy da ka kalira Bat ya trailang karang dajit United FC bat ka Bengaluru FC ban kentiu ya ka jingilek kai football ha Meghalaya. Di parlok katung ila poi syaka pekut jang katup ku ba jingi menta ka janmit hadu wing dai syam yang bat pilai syai kasni ku play pi baro.